Contenders box number 2. Let's see if we can top that last box. Number 2. Last one was Saquon McMillan. Alright, 3-4. Steve 1, Craig 10, Tommy 1, Dan B 4, William 5, Doug 1, Shay 4, Yeezy 4, Dan B 2. I remember seeing those. Alright, Tommy, I don't know if you paid or not. I gotta check you real quick. Dan B, William. Tommy, you're good. Alright. Column C 5 times. 5 times randomized with pace in column B next to the 32 teams. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Craig, you're on top. Yeezy, you're on the bottom there 5 times. Craig, Cardinals, Falcons. Dan, Ravens. William, Bills. Dan, Panthers. Steve, Bears. Craig, Bengals, Browns. William, Cowboys. Craig, Broncos. Tommy, Lions. Craig, Packers. Dan, Texans. Shay, Colts. William, Jags. Easy, Chiefs. Shay, Rams. Dan, Dolphins. Doug, Vikings. Shay, Patriots. Craig, Giants. William, Jets. Yeezy, Raiders. Shay, Eagles. Craig, Steelers. Yeezy, Chargers. Dan, Niners. Craig, Seahawks. Dan, Bucks. Craig, Titans, and Yeezy with the Washington Redskins. All right. All right, guys. I'm confused on what happened. All right, Optic Contenders. See what we got in here. See if we can get a Baker Mayfield, guys. All right. All right, guys. Here's another one. Baker Mayfield. That would be crazy. All right. Jordy Nelson. Nice Jordy. Base. Kenyon Drake Blue. Kenyon Drake Blue at a 99. He said I would sob. Kenyon Drake Blue. Increase the brightness on here. Oh, it is all up. Alright, next card. Oh my goodness. Kurt Benkert. Dude, Optic Contenders is loaded. Unless this is just the case. This case is loaded, guys. I'm telling you. Kurt Benkert for the Falcons. They saved this one for you guys. Josh Allen, Rookie of the Year, on-card red. Out of 30. Out of 35. Josh Allen, red. On-card out of 35. Let me get a one-touch. Very nice, guys. Back to back. Back to back to back. Back to back to back to back. Very nice. Got some heaters in here, boys. Some heaters. Josh Allen. Very nice. Pulls some haters. Nice. Josh Allen. Nice. That's pretty nice, guys. 30 out of 35, too. So we pulled Saquon and put a Josh Allen on card. And Real News telling me, Real News about to turn into fake news telling me this stuff's trash. 175 Falcons hit. And Von Miller base. Alright, guys. Let me go ahead and sleeve these bad boys up. Nice stuff. Good stuff. Nice Josh Allen. Good, good, good. Fake news. It's good stuff. 2 for 2, guys. If you guys want to do a division break, we can do a division break as well. Good stuff. You know why? Real News. It's because Jeff's in here. Or Pearson's in here. There's a mistake. Nice box. Alright, guys, let's check it out. Yeah, I'll tell you. What do you guys want to do? You guys want to do division? We can. Buffalo Bills, William Ship. William, don't jump ship, man. Nice Buffalo Bills. Atlanta Falcons. Craig, nice insert refractor. Miami Dolphins. Oh, and you got Kirk Benkert, maybe future quarterback there. And Miami Dolphins, Dan B. Got yourself a Dolphins hit. Alright, guys, call MC 5 times, ram.org. Whoever's on top gets a free spot into the autograph mini helmet giveaway. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Tommy Simmons. There you go, man. So you get a spot, and then Craig gets a spot. Okay. So that'll be break, what is that, 70? 71. There you guys go. Optic Contenders number 2. Alright, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to ask. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check us out on social media as well. P Sports Cards 24, eBay, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Alright, guys. Thanks again.